what were the kinds of questions that were put to Mr. Gandhi, and were you satisfied with the answers that you guys?
Yeah, there were quite a variety of questions that were asked about GST, about the role that the opposition plays, quite a few questions. And Mr. Gandhi, although there was in fact a lot of cross-questioning also involved, and even in spite of being put on the spot, I think Mr. Gandhi handled the questions quite well, and the girls, at least to a certain extent, got the answer that they were looking for.
On two specific questions, one was of course Swachh Bharat, second was Make in India. It seemed like he got the pulse of the students wrong because he didn't get the response that he was hoping for. So do you think that he couldn't read the sentiments of the people?
He got mixed answers from the students, both yes and no, that both the missions were successful and not successful. So we didn't really get what the students were saying. So yeah, but we were quite convinced with all his answers.
Most of the questions were very direct, very straight that were put to him. Do you think he was equally straight, or somehow he was evading those questions?
Though the answers were not straight, I think we were all convinced with his answers.
Mr. Gandhi claims to represent the youth, people, youngsters like yourself. Did that come across in this interaction?
Yes, especially I think when he made a statement about when people ask him what kind of vision he has, and he brought up how an individual's vision isn't something that needs to be imposed on everyone. And I think right now a lot of us youngsters also feel the same way. So to a certain extent it did feel like he was actually listening and understanding our views as well.
Did the entire thing seem scripted, or could he actually interact in a free way with the students?
Yeah, like I mentioned, apart from the questions that were asked, there was also a lot of cross-questioning. But when he was put on the spot, I thought he handled it quite well.